Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily assemble and install string combiner boxes from Phoenix Contact using our push-in connection technology. For this, I've brought along the following example. This is a string combiner box designed to protect up to 2 MPP trackers. Let's take a look at the internal structure. To do that, I'll open the housing cover so we can take a detailed look at the internal structure. The core component is certainly the surge protection device from Phoenix Contact. In this case, it's a Type 1-2 lightning current arrestor. It's already pre-wired with our terminals in what we call a stub configuration. This is the positive side and this is the negative side, and you can already see that on the terminal blocks, the feed-through terminals, 2 terminal points are not yet connected. One point is for the input string, the other point is for the output string. What else do we have installed? Basically, 2 additional PE protective conductor terminals. One is used for integrating the PE, which is necessary for surge protection, and the second can optionally be used as a lightning protection potential equalization. Okay, then let's take a look at the bottom of the housing. As you can see, this is where all the different cables are inserted. There are smaller cable glands and larger cable glands. The smaller ones are used for the DC cables and the larger ones for the PE cables. We can now do this using a DC cable as an example. That means I bring my DC cable here, insert it through the cable gland, and then simply connect it to a feed-through terminal, insert it into a contact chamber, and the system locks securely and reliably. That means no special tools are necessary, no screwdriver is needed. I don't have to worry about any tightening torques, just push-in connection technology, quick and simple. For the PE protective conductors, we still use screw connection technology. Here, the required torque must be observed specifically between 2.5 and 3 Newton meters. Stripping lengths, just to complete the picture, for the DC cables, a stripping length of 10 to 12 millimeters should be observed, and for the PE cables, 14 millimeters. And as the last piece of information I would like to share, please also tighten the M12 cable glands with 2 Newton meters and the larger ones, where the PE wires are connected, with 5 Newton meters. That's basically it. That's how quick and easy it is to install a string combiner box from Phoenix Contact with push-in connection technology. You can find our entire product portfolio on our product listing page, which is linked below the video. Thank you very much.